Ever wondered how fast sound travels? Let's find out in just 2 minutes. Sound travels at about 343 meters per second in the air. That means when you hear a sound, it's already traveled that distance by the time it reaches your ears. But it's not the same in every material. Sound travels faster in water and even faster in steel. That's because sound waves need something to travel through, and denser materials help them move quicker. So, next time you hear a loud boom, remember, sound is moving fast, but not as fast as light.